let's understand multiplication of polynomials. So we are familiar with the definitions. Monomial is a polynomial with one term. So I have written one monomial minus 4p multiplied with another monomial 7p. Now first, here we have plus sign. Plus multiplied with minus gives us minus. 7 multiplied with 4 gives us 28. And you have done exponents. Power, no power means here we have power 1. Here also power is 1. So when the base is same, powers are added. So let's add the powers. We get 1 plus 1. So we get p square. Minus 28p square is product of minus 4p into 7p. Let's take a now example of monomial multiplied with binomial. We take 3y minus 5y plus 3. So you have done distributive law also, and you have done earlier also how to open the bracket. So this 3y gets multiplied with the first term. So 3y gets multiplied with minus 4-5y. Now this 3y, because there is a bracket, this 3y also gets multiplied with this 3. So how you open the bracket? What is outside the bracket gets multiplied with the first term, and there can be many terms. So it gets multiplied with first term and then it gets multiplied with second term. Now let's find the product. Again, plus multiplied with minus gives me minus. 5 3s are 15. Power is 1. Power is 1. When the bases are same, powers are added. So we get y to the power of 2. We have a plus sign here. 3 3s are 9 and y remains y. Now let's multiply monomial with trinomial now. Multiplied with 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Again 3p will be multiplied with 4p square. So 3p will be multiplied with 4p square plus, here we have plus, we will note down the plus. Now 3p will be multiplied with 5p plus, and now this 3p will be multiplied with 7. Let's multiply. 4 3s are 12. Here power is 1 and here power is 2. So base is p. So we write the base p and add the powers. We get 3 plus 5 3s are 15. Power is 1, power is 1, 1 plus 1 gives me 2, and 7 3s are 21, and we get 21p. Let's now multiply a binomial with a binomial. This we have done earlier also. Binomial multiplied with binomial. Let me take 5 minus 2x multiplied with 3 plus x. Now first we open up only one bracket. We write here 5 and we write here 2x. Now this bracket get multiplied with 5 this whole bracket gets multiplied with minus 2x. So we multiply 5 with the second bracket, we copy minus 2x, and then minus 2x is multiplied with 3 plus x. Now we have just done monomial multiplied with binomial, monomial multiplied with binomial. So let's open up the bracket now. 5 into 3 gives me 15. 5 into x gives me 5x. Plus into minus gives me minus. 3 into 2 gives me 6, and we have a x. Plus into minus gives me minus. Power is 1, power is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So x power becomes 2. Now we can further solve it because we have 5x and 6x as like terms. When the algebraic factor is same, this has x, this has x, we can further solve it. So we get 15, 1 positive, 1 negative, we do subtraction, and bigger number is 6, so answer will get a negative sign. 6 minus 5 gives me 1, so we don't write 1, we just write the variable with it. 1x, we can write it as minus x, and minus 2x square. Write your answer in a form where variable has higher degree to smaller degree. So I have just changed the position, minus 2x square minus x plus 15. So let's do another example. We will multiply a binomial with trinomial now. X plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. So first thing is, you open up any one of the bracket you can open up. I am opening this x and plus y. This x gets multiplied with the second bracket. So we copy the second bracket plus y square, and this plus y also gets multiplied with the second bracket. So we get x square minus xy plus y square. So again we have got a monomial multiplied with trinomial. We have just done examples for these, so we can solve it now. Power is 1, power is 2, and the base is same. So x becomes x, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, x multiplied with x. We have a minus sign, so we copy minus. Power of x is 1, power of x is 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and y as it is, x as it is, and y square. When the bases are same, then only you can add the powers, otherwise you can just write x and y square as it is. Now let's check this. Y x square plus into minus gives me minus. X I copy as it is. Y power will change. I have 1 here and 1, so y becomes, power becomes 2. Plus, plus, so I copy plus. Power is 1, power is 2, so 2 plus 1 gives me 3. Let's see, can we solve it further? We don't have any term with x cube, so we can copy x cube as it is. We have a term with y and x square here, and y and x square here. One is plus, one is minus. So coefficient is 1, coefficient is 1, 1 minus 1 give me 0. So you can write it as 1 minus 1 x square y. Now we go to this. Again we get coefficient is 1, coefficient is minus 1, and this is xy square plus y cube. These two, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 multiplied with this x square y will give me 0. Similarly, I'll get a 0 here. So I am left with x cube plus y cube. I'll repeat this in Hindi. जब आप दो पॉलिनोमियल को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एक ब्रैकेट को ओपन कर लेंगे. मैंने लिखा है x और यहाँ पे लिख लिया था प्लस y. इसको ओपन करके x को सेकेंड ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और प्लस y को भी सेकेंड ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, यहाँ पे लिखा है. फिर हमने x और x स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. x और x का बेस सेम है तो इनकी पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. पावर इज 1 और यहाँ पे 2, इसलिए यहाँ पे आ गया 2 + 1 3. यहाँ पे x की पावर 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, तो 1 + 1 x की पावर क्या हो गई 2. और कोई y की टर्म नहीं है तो y एज इट इज कॉपी कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर है, इसको भी x × y स्क्वायर को एज इट इज कॉपी कर लिया. y और x स्क्वायर को कॉपी कर लिया. -x, लेकिन यहाँ पे भी y है, यहाँ पे भी y है, तो बेस सेम हो गया. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर्स को ऐड करेंगे. 1 + 1 2 और ये 2 पावर है, यहाँ 1 पावर है, तो ये आ गया प्लस y क्यूब. इसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे लाइक टर्म्स. x क्यूब कहीं पे भी नहीं है, सो हमने x क्यूब को कॉपी कर लिया. x स्क्वायर y यहाँ पे भी है और x स्क्वायर y यहाँ पे भी है. x स्क्वायर y इज इक्वल टू yx स्क्वायर. वी हैव डन कॉम्बिनेटिव लॉ. अब इसका कोफिशिएंट क्या है 1 और इसका कोफिशिएंट क्या है -1. ऐसे ही हमने क्या लिख लिया xy स्क्वायर. इसका कोफिशिएंट 1, इसका कोफिशिएंट -1 और y क्यूब कहीं नहीं था तो y क्यूब को भी कॉपी कर लिया. 1 - 1 0, तो ये टर्म 0 हो गई. 1 - 1 0, तो ये भी टर्म 0 हो गई. आंसर में क्या बचा x³ + y³